Let's begin this video with this massive explosion of a Russian tank after being struck earlier by Ukrainian forces, turret toss included. And we continue with our now regular topic, the wonders of Putin's mobilization. Russian mobiks at some sort of drills are just standing and doing nothing, and are not given any weapons. Their counterparts are much more numerous however, and are armed.
Короче, вон пошли, вон то стадо, их много. Они с ружьями все, с автоматами. Они будут на нас нападать. Чем мы будем обороняться? На 100 человек 50 всего. Не знаю, непонятно. Офицеры решают. Ну что они решат, непонятно тоже. В общем, будем сейчас обороняться, короче. Все.
Ебать, там их много.
Их вообще там очень много. И с автоматами. А нас мало. И без ничего мы тут. Ну ладно, ничего, мы справимся. Мы же русская армия.
And let's end with this footage of an Excalibur artillery strike on a Russian 2S-1 Vodika howitzer by Ukraine's 45th Artillery Brigade in Kherson Oblast.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.